Okay, tell me your name.
Hi, I'm Alicia. I'm the beach cleanup coordinator for Coast Keeper.
What are you doing today?
I'm giving out supplies and data cards to volunteers as part of Walk the Watershed and teaching them about how trash ends up in our canyons and eventually into the ocean.
What's a data card?
A data card looks like this. Oh, sorry, please hold. This is a data card, and it keeps track of, allows volunteers to mark down the different types of trash that they find, and then we can total up all of the data cards from the cleanup and the weight of the trash that we collect, and then we can tell our local city and county officials about the types of trash that we're finding in the environment to try to find solutions and ways to stop it.
And do you have an idea of what people are finding in the canyon today?
Well, I've already seen lots of single-use plastics, so trash bags and styrofoam, etc. We also found a hanger and a dinner plate, so some household items that people might actually be illegally dumping in the area. But I'm at the beginning of the station, so who knows?
What is your favorite part of the event today?
My favorite part is watching people find things that they get surprised about in the environment. Most people don't even really notice the trash until I bring their attention to it, so it's good to see people discovering things